Hi guys, welcome to the AutoVlog. So last time we had cleaned the seats and now today we'll be completing these two seats as well, and those two seats will be putting up the seat covers. So I have washed those seat covers and it was a hectic job. See, the seats are very dirty. So first we'll be removing the seat covers, then we'll be doing the seat covers a wash. After doing the wash, we will be clearing all the interior parts through vacuum cleaning. Then after that, in the end, we'll be doing the same easy procedure with the help of Godrej Easy, which we did earlier. Right, ciao. We'll be cleaning the rest seat covers. So I have some of the stuff material ready. We'll be using detergent powder in the tub. I'll be soaking it for like 6 to 8 hours. Then I'll be removing covers from here and we'll be so I have just removed the dirt, just removed the water. You can see it's so dirty. See the dirt, solid brown color, you can see it's visible. So now after soaking for 2 hours, we'll be taking the seat covers inside the washing area. Hi guys, so what next we'll be doing is we'll be doing a red oxide on this lower surface. We'll be doing red oxide. I have bought a red oxide color, which was already there with me. And right now we'll be, before that as we have done the vacuum cleaning, I will be using a wet cloth. We'll be cleaning the surface again using the dry cloth. After that we'll be doing the red oxide. So these portions have lots and lots of rust, so I am using red oxide to make it more stable. As in lockdown, I don't have any other option, so I have brushed all the rust. So we have removed as much as perforation we can, and I'm trying to protect the rest of the metal sheet with the help of red oxide, which was there in my home. Right. So we have done 2 sheets right now. We have done 2 sheets and we are just about to complete the end portion. So I'll be doing this as well in the end. Hi guys, and we are left with 2 more sheets to clean it up. And these both are the back support seats. This is for the rear end and this is for the front end. So this is the front seat assembly. You can see we'll be cleaning this. After that we'll be doing a same procedure which we did with the earlier 2 seats. We'll show you. So we have removed the air and we have removed the air filter. We have removed the dirt from the air filter with the help of the hair dryer. I know it blows hot air, but some of the work it has done.